Hello guys! Today a new video for my home stuff playlist. I've been thinking for a long time about home robot that could refresh my rooms while I'm away. Immediately said no to iRobots because they're 3 times more expensive just because they were first in the market. After 3 days of research, I stumbled on Xiaomi vacuum cleaner Xiaowa E202E20 that costs around $330. It has wet mopping, recharge and resume. This function in iRobots comes only after $750 mark. Moreover, at this price, iRobot Room won't have wet mopping function. Xiaowa is also available in aesthetically white color. I think it's redundant to ask why I'm in favor of Xiaomi or Xiaowa products. Okay, let's start with Xiaowa unboxing and see what we can get for a little over than $300. As you can see, the packaging is very simple, with no color printing compared to the competitor packaging. A box like this maybe looks bad, but who wants to pay for designer work and color printing anyway? There's a sticker on the box stating what it is, what color is it, and how much it weighs. Alright, roll, let's get it out. Ooh, just like Russian doll Matroska. Just ask Google. Box in a box and with the same information. We are finally approaching the robot. Just put all the excess cardboard in a sorted waste box. Nothing much can comment about charging dock, looks pretty normal. Let's take a look at the robot itself. Well, it looks like everything in its place. A side brush, a big brush, 2 big tires and 1 small. The top of the robot is aesthetically white. Beautiful. Also, there's a hidden manual. As for almost every China brand, manual is compact, short and simple. We also have a robot's plastic mat that attaches to the charging dock. We can also find a wet cleaning water tank with a cloth. It's nice to have water tank filters in reserve. Also, there are 2 wet cleaning cloths in the kit, very pleasing. Wow, there are 4 water tank filters, nice! Also included is a charging dock's power cord with a Roborock fastener. We can also find a spare framed HEPA filter for a waste bin and of course a cleaning brush. Very good looking. The iRobot should work on its appearance and take an example from its competitors. There is already 1 waste bin inside with all the filters and a small menu on how to empty it. The dustbin is very easy to remove, though not terribly large but definitely enough for regular cleaning. The robot also has height adjusting tires so that it can easier climb higher places. Let's attach robot's carpet to the charging station. It is lightweight and will protect the floor in case of robot peeing itself. Connect electricity to the robot's house and choose where it will live. In my case, it will be under the TV table. Ooh, Latvia is in the lead and robot is in its home. Perfection. Using the robot is very easy. Just press the middle button if you want to clean the entire apartment or room. The left button if you have moved the robot to the one place and want spot cleaning. Press any button if you want to stop cleaning or if the robot is annoying you. Press the right recharge button and the robot will sadly go recharge itself. But I would recommend installing an application that will open up a lot more options and possibilities to track robot's actions. From the application we can force the robot to clean the house from anywhere in the world. You can also change the suction power, follow the battery level, and of course see how your room looks like from robot's eyes. And from time to time you can see how your robot is doing, how much it has cleaned, in which room it is currently working. Basically you can always keep your eye on it. You'll also see in the application whether the robot has completed its work, how many square meters it has cleared, whether it's stuck somewhere and other valuable information. Remember that the cleaned area will be significantly less than the square meters of your living space. The difference will be occupied by your furniture and items. Wet cleaning is also easy to use. Fill the water tank with water and connect it to the robot. Of course, keep in mind that the wet cleaning of your robot cannot replace your powerful scrubbing. Robot lightly sweeps up the dust, but you deeply scrub pizza scraps after weekend party. I've used the robot 41 times already. It's been under my possession for 2 months and I'm very satisfied. I really like the wet cleaning, which wipes out all little dust on the floor. In my case, it takes about 1 hour for the robot to clean up all 5 rooms. 1 charge is enough, but at the end the water tank is empty and dust is being wiped off with a damp cloth. If I am at home, then I can pause the robot and refill the water tank, so that the wet cleaning is wetter or better, I don't know how to call it. In the application you can also see all cleaning times, how many square meters have been cleaned. Also look at the layout of the rooms for the robot's eyes. The cleared square meters can change slightly each time, depending on how much obstacles the robot has in its way. The application also shows the wear of all the parts, which doesn't mean that those parts have to be changed immediately, but you just need to follow and maintain the parts. Percentage can be reset to 100 and robot can continue its work without problems. I clean Robot's garbage bin every second time, but it really depends on each user individually. I wonder where Robot gets all that dust because the floor is not dirty but the garbage bin still fills up. What? Best of all, the waste container with HEPA filter is washable. There are no expensive on-time parts. Nice! Summary after less than 2 months of use is very positive. For $350 to buy something so useful happens very rarely. There are of course some little things that I have observed, so I'll start with them. If Robot is taken to another room and it starts to clean from there, sometimes it has trouble finding its home. If Robot starts working from its home, such problem doesn't occur. There have been times when Robot announces that it's stuck, but truth is, it's just standing next to a wall. I just have to force it to continue its work, though after the software update this problem doesn't occur anymore. If you have any lightweight rugs, the Robot will most likely move them or mix them. All other things are just big pluses for this product. The main advantages are of course its price. It is 2 or 3 times cheaper than Irobot products. It has an application where you can choose 4 different suction powers, set cleaning schedules, share this device with other users and other nice stuff. Well, this would be all I can say about this Xiaomi vacuum cleaner right now. Maybe someone also has this cool robot or similar one and can share their experience with it. Why did you choose that robot? Those who don't use this robot, why not? And maybe some other considerations. Thank you for fully watching this video. Don't forget to like this and subscribe so we can meet again in another home stuff video. Ciao!